crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today we are unboxing the Simon Says Stamp Distressed Vintage Notes Card Kit. Stay tuned. Alright, my Simon card kit came today and I'm so excited. I wanted to share with you the contents of the kit. This one is called Distressed Vintage Notes, and it's definitely has that vintage vibe. I did read somewhere that Tim Holtz helped design this card kit, so that's probably why I like it so much. I did have a couple of things I added on to the kit that we can go over. This one, I love this, the Tumbling Flowers Embossing Folder. I didn't have that one yet, and it has the die to go with that, but I just love this floral spray like that. This is part of the release, and this is a really cute vintage looking stamp and die set. So this is the Parisian frame, sorry, I want to say flame, frame, and it has the die to go with that. And this actually does cut out the middle and the sentiments, so that's really cool. And I did get the coordinating die set that goes with this. This is not included in the kit, but you can purchase that extra if you would like to have the die set that matches with the stamp set in here. So the first thing we have in here is Collage Medium Matte, which is awesome. You can use that as a glue to kind of glue together different fabrics and mediums. Let's get this out of the way. Alright. Let's see. Ooh, it's jam-packed. Lots of goodies. Look at all this stuff. Alright, we have a lollipop. We have a VersaFine Clair Nocturne ink, and this is a pigment ink, and I love this ink. This is so crisp and gorgeous when you use it for stamping. Let's see where to start. We have this pink, I have to look online what color this is. This is a Simon envelope. It's a A2 envelope. Let me just look really quick. I just want to look at the kit contents so I can make sure I get the correct colors for you. Alright, this one is the Cotton Candy envelope. And then we have foam squares, and these look to be not the really thin ones, like the ones that are just a little bit thicker than that. And I love these. Let's see what else. We have a coupon. This one is good through 4/15/25, and the code is WELUVU, and it'll get you $5 off your purchase. So go for that, and you can use that code. Alright, we have on this one the ephemera from Tim Holtz. This one is called Palette, and it comes with all colors of the rainbow. So you can pretty much mix and match any of this with any of the colors that you want to use on your project. And it shows on the back it goes through the rainbow. And I would take these all out, but we would be going through that forever. There's 136 pieces of ephemera in here, which is pretty awesome. We also have the new embossing folder called Pinnacle Hearts, and this gives you 3D hearts, which would be perfect for backgrounds when you're putting all these elements together. Alright, these are card bases. I believe this is the Schoolhouse Red. Yeah, that's what I thought it would be. And you get 10 card bases, and these are pre-scored, so you just take them and fold them in half, and you're good to go. Oh, we get a map this month! Hooray! I don't have to look at the phone anymore. I love when they have the thing in here that shows examples and it tells you exactly what you're getting. So we have also the cotton candy cardstock, and that matches with the envelope. And then we get a sheet of Simon Says Stamp watercolor cardstock. So that's great if you want to do watercolor techniques. And then let's see what else. Oops. And you get 3 distress watercolor pencils. And I got Evergreen Bow, Carved Pumpkin, and Tea Dye. I will put a link up top for a card that I made using these watercolor pencils. They're so easy to use. You just color on your project and then take either a wet paintbrush or a water brush and just go over it, and it just, you know, kind of melts out and looks amazing. Like you took forever to watercolor something and really just colored it and went over it with water. So that's great. And then here is the gorgeous, 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 oh, I love this stamp set. And I put it in here. So look at this. Look at this. I love this so much. Like this roses flourish, and the butterfly, of course. We have some cancellation marks, flowers, a lot of just vintage writing. We have the music notes. I just love this. The font on this is great too. Sending love, adore you, adored and loved. So this will be great to play with. Hugs and kisses. So, and then, like I said before, you can get the matching die set. So if you don't feel like cutting all these things out. And that has the dies for all of that. So I think we have everything. Just want to make sure. We have the stamp set. Somewhere in here we have the embossing folder. That's the Pinnacle hearts. We have the Palette Ephemera set. We have the ink pad. We have the collage medium, which is fabulous. The watercolor pencils. The Schoolhouse Red card bases. The foam squares. The watercolor cardstock. The cotton candy cardstock. The cotton candy envelope. So lots and lots in this kit. It is still available, so if you would like any of these things, you can go and grab them. The thing I love about the Simon kits is that a lot of these they actually sell individually. So if you just really love the stamp set and you want to just get the stamp and die set, you can just order that. Of course, you can get the card bases right from the website. You could get this pack of ephemera if you wanted, or just this embossing folder by itself. So lots of options if there's anything that catches your eye. And then again, the add-ons, I had the Parisian flame. Again, the frame. I cannot talk about this. It's funny. Anyway. And then I had gotten the Tumbling Flowers as an add-on. So anyway, I will list the kit and the contents in the description box. I do have affiliate links, so if there's anything you like, you can go check that out there. Come check me out over on Facebook. I post a lot of sales and videos and cards and all of that. And if you are as excited about this kit as I am, please, if you could, subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it, and it really helps my channel grow. Thanks very much. Until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have a great day. Bye-bye. Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.